Cumberland Medical Center is a member of Covenant Health, and we're looking for compassionate physicians that are interested in delivering quality health care to the citizens of Cumberland County with patient excellence in mind. Dr. May Wharton began the Cumberland Medical Center in 1950, and her goal was to bring healthcare to the plateau, and our physicians embody that, and it's something that they hold dear in their practice, and something that they want to see carried out is her mission, and that's bringing that quality care to folks here in Cumberland County and the surrounding plateau.
I think one of the advantages of most of the physicians here in Crossville trained at university hospitals, academic medical centers. So even though we are technically considered a rural area, we bring the latest technology, the latest innovations in science back to the patient population here in Cumberland County and the entire Cumberland Plateau. We draw from a 5 or 6 county area, which really increases our catchment basin of patients and the services that we're able to provide. So we really do think we provide big city, high quality care in a local environment.
We have a very diverse specialty group of physicians, as well as a large group of internal medicine and family practice physicians. So it kind of creates a unique situation of having a deep medical staff that can cover a lot of specialties that a lot of typical community hospitals can't cover.
Cumberland County is a wonderful place to live, primarily because of the variety of people coming to this community. We have people and patients coming from all over the country into this community. And that's what attracted me to come to this community. And it forces us also to keep up to date to everything that's going on in the healthcare profession.
At Cumberland Medical Center, we have more than 150 physicians on staff. We deliver about 700 babies every year, perform more than 30,000 ED visits, and we have more than 750 committed employees and staff members.
This hospital is large enough to serve the needs of your patient, but small enough to serve the needs of the doctor.
We offer a broad range of specialties, cardiology, family practice, internal medicine, very strong from that standpoint. We also have a strong program around obstetrics and gynecology. And our cancer center here is top notch. We have some fantastic physicians in oncology and radiology as well. But cardiology is something that we're continuing to focus on now as we begin an interventional program and look to really moving that forward in the years to come. Being part of Covenant has allowed Cumberland Medical Center to look forward to expansion. A new ED renovation expansion has recently taken place, and it includes a 22-bed ED that will serve the community well into the future. And that's a $6.5 million investment, and that's something that people sometimes take for granted, something that is a reinvestment by Covenant back into the community. And other facilities that are throughout the community that Covenant has invested in includes a large medical office complex and fitness facility that was over $3 million project. And it's just part of the example of what Covenant is doing and has done in this community and will continue to do through further investments, whether it's capital equipment for the hospital or new buildings and fitness centers and other complexes within our community. Covenant continues to reinvest and demonstrate to the folks of Cumberland County that they are indeed here for the long term and look forward to being a part of this community for a long time to come.
One thing that I'm very proud of about my practice here at Crossville is we were able to get some new innovation, new technology into our hospital that had not been available before. We have what I consider very current, up-to-date operating rooms with ceiling-mounted LED technology for our video laparoscopic equipment and procedures. We have excellent endoscopy equipment, and it really makes taking care of people, surgical problems, very, very straightforward and very comfortable from a physician standpoint.
I think physicians who are looking to come to Cumberland Medical Center will find that our staff here is committed to excellent patient care and compassionate patient care along with that.
All the physicians in Cumberland County participate in a call schedule. That's always a topic that new potential physicians are interested in. But that enables us to have a balance of professional and personal lifestyles. It lets you set priorities for your family and instill those priorities and see them through. My 2 children were raised here. My daughter is currently in a pediatrics residency, and she is coming back to Crossville to practice, which makes me very happy, but I think is a testament to her seeing the community develop and her wanting to come back here. I think speaks volumes for her potential to grow a practice here and the hospital and surrounding community.
I think in coming here, people will find that it's a welcoming community. Cumberland Medical Center and the community that it serves, the people here are deeply rooted in family traditions as well as local traditions, and it's something that a lot of people find very warming and very welcoming. We're known as the golf capital of the state of Tennessee. There's a tremendous number of golf courses for such a small area. In the Fairfield area, there's 5 golf courses, 11 lakes, not to mention access to a lot of larger man-made lakes.
Moving to Cumberland County has been a great choice for us. On the weekends, it's been great to have David with me to be able to kayak, to go hiking on Black Mountain, and hike the trails in Fairfield Glade.
This area is very diverse. We have a huge amount of outdoor recreational opportunities, as well as a deep cultural roots around the arts. And that's something that was really surprising when my family and I moved here, was the discovery that, you know, it's not just about outdoor activities here, it's about creating a different type of environment, one that you would find a lot of times in a larger urban area.
This community is constantly moving. There's a lot of growth and there's a lot of moving forward. So if you like to be involved in the community, you can be so productive. And it's a lot of exciting different events occurring, and you can just be so proactive. And then yet you can also retreat to your quiet spot, and you can have your own alone time and just kind of unwind and really enjoy the nature of this place. And my kids have a wonderful time here. They've experienced so many different activities. They can range from music and sports and to outdoor wildlife with fishing and hunting, and have the theater and ballet lessons. And it's just such a wide variety, and the community really comes together. I think the Cumberland County Playhouse is the nation's best kept secret. There's so much going on at the Playhouse. It's just so unique, and you will never find talent at such a personal, friendly level. There's just so much to be gained from life experiences here at the Cumberland County Playhouse.
There's a variety of both public and private schools here in Cumberland County, and actually one of the high schools was recognized as U.S. News and World Report top performing high school in the United States.
That this is a good place to live, but more importantly, this is a good place to practice medicine.
We signed a 2-year contract to come to Crossville, and that was 21 years ago. So obviously we've made this place our home, and we've enjoyed settling down here.
So Cumberland County is a place where I think a lot of people value quality of life. And I think there's enough sophistication here to make that easily enjoyable. At the same time, it's small enough to where you can not be hassled with all the negatives of the big city, and still be able in medicine to write your own prescription for yourself about how you want to practice medicine. So that's what I like about Cumberland County. Practicing medicine here is a joy for me.